Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy. And guys, this is a VIP strategy, all right? A very powerful strategy that you can use to scalp, all right? And this strategy is almost 100% accurate, okay? Now, without wasting much of our time, I will be showing you guys how the strategy works, okay? All right, so before I do that, I want to quickly remind you guys about the powerful boom and crash strategy. All right, now this one I'm talking about is specifically made for boom and crash. All right, and you can use it to grow as little as a $5 account. Okay, you can use the strategy to grow as little as a $5 account. All right, and even if you're a beginner, all right, you don't need to worry. You can still use this strategy to grow your small account. Okay, so if you're interested, you check the description of this video. You're going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Make sure to message me and we'll discuss on how you get the strategy. Okay, so that is that about that. All right, now let's get back to this second VIP strategy here. All right, now I'll be explaining how this one works. Okay, all right, so this is how you do it. So whenever there's a spike in the market, all right, whenever there's a spike in the market, you check your indicator window here, all right. Now you are going to see that you are going to check that this blue line has gotten to the overbought level, all right. So once you have confirmed that this blue line here, this moving average line, has gotten to the overbought level, that's the first condition. Now the next thing you want to observe in the market is that now here on the main chart, now you are going to check the spike that just occur, right? The spike that will occur, you check if it breaks out of the Bollinger Band line, all right? Now there was a spike here, it broke above the Bollinger line, all right? But if you can check very well here on the indicator window, this is where it stopped, all right? This is where it stopped, the blue line stopped. It did not get to the overbought level, so you will not consider that kind of spike, right? But the one that will touch the overbought level, that's the one you should be considering, right? So you can see this one, it broke above, right? Now this is where the function of the fractals, this arrow here, comes in, all right? Now you are not to take any entry until this indicator, this candlestick, the red one, start forming. Right now, when it starts forming, you are going to see the fractal. You are going to see that the fractal will appear on top the spike. All right, so once the fractal appears on top the spike, what you have to do is that you go in for 5 candles. Immediately you see the fractals, you go in for your 5 candles. All right, so that is how it works. That is how you use the strategy. Now I'll be showing you guys another example again, and then I will be explaining it so that you understand better. Now guys, here is another example. As you can see, there was a spike. This is the first one you can see here. This is the second one you can see here. But the last one here got the blue line was touching the overbought level here, which is our 85 level, right? And it broke above the green Bollinger Band line here, all right? So once you see something like this, like the first example, you wait for the fractal to appear on top that spike. Once you see the fractal appears, you go in for your 5 candles immediately, guys, immediately. Another example again, you can see this strategy is almost 100% accurate. You can see once it gets there, you wait for the fractal to appear. Once it appears, you pick your 5 candles before the next spike will come. All right, you pick your 5 candles and you are already out of the market. All right, so let's wait for another condition again. You can see at the 85 level here, our overbought level, and it's above, it broke out of our Bollinger Band line here. You wait for the fractal to appear on top of it, you pick 5 candles. You see, you can be able to pick 5 candles before any spike will come. So you pick your 5 candles, all right? Now the reason why I say you should allow it to get to this area, this here is the overbought level. It means this area is, the indicator is showing you that there's a strong support, there's a strong resistance zone here, all right? A strong support and resistance zone here, all right? That will be pushing price to the downside, all right? It's going to, even if it's going up, is if price get to that area, it will bounce it down a little bit before it to go up. And by then, that little reversal, you'll be able to take your 5 candles out of it before any other spike will come. All right, so that is just the reason for this. That's just the reason why I say you should allow it to get to the overbought level before taking any entry. Okay, in the case where it fails to get there, it means that there will be more spike, and that spike might blow your account. All right, so you need to play safe. All right, you need to play safe. So you can see here again is at the overbought level. What you do is that you wait for the fractal to appear, you pick your 5 candles, and you are good to go. All right, you can continue doing this all day. You can see this is our condition being met here, and you wait for the fractal. So I'm too late for this, so I will just have to wait for the next opportunity. You pick your 5 candles here and you exit the market. As simple as that, guys. So what I want you guys to do now is to backtest the strategy. All right, once you have gotten the strategy, you backtest it, or you can demo trade it for like a week or two. All right, you demo trade it for like a week or two. You check how the strategy is performing by yourself, all right, before you can go in live with your hard-earned money. Okay, so for those of you who are just coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. All right, and for those of you who have not yet joined my Telegram channel, the link is in the description of this video. Check it out and make sure you join. Okay, all right, so I think that is going to be all for this video. All right, so I think I will be drawing the curtain here now. All right, for those of you who are interested in the in getting the strategy, you check the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. All right, make sure you message me and we'll discuss on how you get the strategy. Okay, so that's it, guys. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Silver out.